Hello, my name is Kailash and I welcome you all to Spoken English Master. Today we are going to talk about very important topics. These are have to and has to. Do you know the meaning of have to and has to? Let's see. करना पड़ता है, करना पड़ेगा और करना है. If we have these kind of meanings in Hindi, मुझे वहाँ जाना है, मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ना है, मुझे इंग्लिश सिखाना है, ओके उसे यहाँ आना है, उसे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस in English we will be learning today. First of all, I have written some sentences. Okay, you can see those sentences. I am reading all the sentences. Try to understand the meaning of these sentences. Do you know the meaning of these sentences? Let's see. Number one, I might have to go there. Number one sentence, I might have to go there. Next sentence, you may have to stay here. Third one, we have to have money to buy this house. I will have to speak English. She has to have talent to pass the exam or means examination. So do you know the meaning of these sentences? If you know, that means you don't have to watch this video. But if you don't know the meaning of these sentences, you have to watch the video till the end to get complete knowledge. I can guarantee you, if you watch the video till the end, you won't have to face any kind of problems using have to or has to. Okay, so keep watching this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. Subscribe to Spoken English Master to get more videos like this. First of all, we will see the definition of have to or has to. Okay, how to use it properly. We use have to or has to, okay, for force or compulsion. Compulsion is a kind of force, okay, when we are forced to do something, that is called compulsion. Okay, maybe we don't want to do, but we are getting pressurized to do something, that is called compulsion. This one, okay, force or compulsion. Okay, force and compulsion. See the formula, how to use it. First of all, subject, then have or has to. We will learn, okay, later on we will learn where to use have and where to use has. Okay, if you don't know how to use have or has, I have created a separate video. Okay, you can go to the playlist and you can also watch this video. Okay, in case of like in the video of present perfect tense, I have already told it how to use it properly. Okay, where to use have and where to use has. Same thing will be applicable here also. Okay, after that, V1 means base form of the verb. Okay, like go, okay, then do, sleep. Base form of the verb means V1. Okay, after that object you know. Next, see some sentences. Okay, I have created for you. I have to go there. मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ता है और मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. और you can say मुझे वहाँ जाना है. तीनों ही सेंटेंस, तीनों ही मीनिंग्स यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. ठीक है. और we have to solve this problem. हमें ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. I have to wake up early in the morning. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. ठीक है. Maybe I don't want to wake up early, but I have to wake up early because I have some works to do. That's why I have to wake up early in the morning. Okay. So now we will see some other examples. Okay, to understand it properly. So let's see all the examples. See students, I have created another two examples for you. I have to have money to buy this house. I have to have money to buy this house. Have to have, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? ओके, have to have का मीनिंग देखो, यहाँ पे मीनिंग क्या होगा? I have to have money to buy this house. मेरे पास मनी होना चाहिए. ओके, मेरे पास पैसा होना चाहिए. किस लिए? To buy this house means I am forced to have money. I am forced to have money to buy this house. मेरे पास पैसा होना ही चाहिए. किस लिए? To buy this house. इस हाउस को खरीदने के लिए. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. He has to have talent to pass the exam. उसके पास टैलेंट होना चाहिए. ओके, he has to have talent means उसके पास टैलेंट होना चाहिए. देखिए यहाँ पे has to have, इसका मीनिंग है होना चाहिए. He has to have talent means उसके पास टैलेंट होना चाहिए to pass the examination or to pass the exam. Okay, एग्जाम को पास करने के लिए. Okay, so these are some difficult examples. Okay, sometimes what happens, we see this kind of sentences in newspaper or magazine and we face some problems. We don't know the meaning of these sentences. Okay, so that's why we have to know the meaning of these sentences also. And one thing again and again I keep telling, that is, whenever you learn something, don't try to memorize all the things. Okay, try to implement it in your day-to-day life. Okay, if you try to implement it, these things will perfectly be seated in your brain and you won't have to face any kind of problems. Don't try to memorize, try to understand the matter. Okay, let's see some another examples. First of all, now we will see how to make these sentences negative, interrogative as well as negative interrogative. As I have told you in our previous videos, like whenever we try to create or whenever we try to speak in English, sometimes we have to speak in affirmative sentence. Normally we can give some statements. I have to go there. Okay, like you are telling me, sir, can you help me now? I am telling no, I have to go there. Or if I say मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है और मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है, मुझे ये काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा, means negative sentence. So how to convert this kind of sentences? Okay, we will learn this one also. And asking question is one of the most important things. Okay, when we try to ask questions, क्या तुम्हें वहाँ जाना है? क्या तुम्हें ये problem solve करना है? How to convert these kind of sentences? We will be learning. Okay, so let's see some another examples. See students, I have taken an example and I have made it negative, interrogative as well as negative interrogative. How to do this? We have to understand. I have to do this work. इसके हिंदी में क्या होगा? I have to do this work. मुझे ये काम करना है, मीन्स मुझे ये काम करना पड़ेगा. I am forced to do this work. Okay, यहाँ पे कंपल्सन आ रहा है. देखिए ये जो कंपल्सन का मीनिंग क्या है? इसका मीनिंग है फोर्स. ओके, करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नेगेटिव में क्या होगा? I don't have to do this work. मुझे ये काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है. ठीक है, उसके बाद इंटरोगेटिव. इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स question. What kind of question? Positive question. I have told you there are two types of questions. One is called positive question, another one is called negative question. Okay, we are going to talk about positive question. Let's see. Do I have to do this work? Do I have to do this work? क्या मुझे ये काम करना है? Do I have to do this work? I am asking questions. Okay, और last one. Don't I have to do this work? क्या मुझे ये काम नहीं करना है? This is your negative question, this is your positive question. Okay, we have to make questions in two types. Okay, like positive question as well as negative questions. Both are important. This one is more important, but still, according to me, we have to learn both the things. Okay, if we know grammatically, then we can speak properly. If we don't know, then we have to copy someone. Okay, that's why again and again I tell the same thing. Like, don't try to memorize anything. Try to understand it. See here, this is your auxiliary verb. This is your auxiliary verb. This one also. And this one is your main verb. Okay, after have to, after has to, we always use V1. Okay, don't forget this one. After has to, after have to, after to, we always use V1. Means V1 means what? Base form of the verb. Okay, now I am going to take another example. Like here I have taken have. Okay, and in that example I will put has here. Okay, and we will learn how to make it negative interrogative as well as negative interrogative. Okay, so let's have it. देखिए, she has to stay here. उसे यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा. She is forced to stay here. उसे यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा. She doesn't have to stay here. उसे यहाँ नहीं रहना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Does she have to stay here? क्या उसे यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा? Doesn't she have to stay here? क्या उसे यहाँ नहीं रहना पड़ेगा? Okay, that's how we can make four types of sentences. But here, one thing we have to see. See, here has, have to. Okay, here has to, here have to, here have to, here also we are finding have to. Why? I told you, like when we use see, generally, like in my past perfect tense video, I have told you in case of see, he or it, generally we use has. In this video also, later on I will tell you. Okay, don't get worried about that. So with see we use has, we know that. So I have used has. But in the second case, here if you see, I have used have. Why? That might be a question in your mind. See, here we are using doesn't. Okay, if you watch my previous videos, like if you watch present indefinite tense videos, okay, there I have told you, like after don't, just let me write here, after don't or after doesn't, we always use V1. What I told you, after don't, after doesn't, we always use V1. Okay, so here see doesn't V1, Why V1? Because like have is your V1 and has is V5. Okay, so after doesn't or after don't we cannot use V5. We have to use V1, the base form of the verb. Okay, that's why after does also we have to use have, after doesn't also we have to use have to. So she has to go there. Like if I take another example, she has to go there, she doesn't have to go there. Does she have to go there? Doesn't she have to go there? In this way we can make 4 types of sentences. I think it's clear to you. Now we will be taking some another examples. Okay, so at the beginning of the video I have given you some sentences like I will have to go there, I may have to go there, I might have to go there, or I must have to go there. What are the differences? Okay, what is the main difference between all, like among all the sentences that we will be taking? So let's see. देखिए दोस्तों, ये जो है ना, these are some confusions. When we read newspaper, when we read magazines, we often get confused when we read this kind of sentences. Why? Let's see. I have to speak English. You know the meaning of this sentence, I know. Next one. I will have to speak English. What is the meaning of this one? I may have to speak English. I might have to speak English. I must have to speak English. If you read newspaper daily, you might have seen these kind of sentences. Today we will be knowing what are the meanings of these sentences. Okay, let's start. I have to speak English. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ता है और मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे we have two meanings. Okay, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ता है, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. अच्छा, I will have to speak English. Here we are having only one meaning. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. और I may have to speak English. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? I may have to speak in English. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ सकता है. May have to पढ़ सकता है. चांस है बहुत कम है. बहुत मीन्स लाइक यू कैन से 40%, 50% chance. Okay, I may have to speak English. Later on we will make some videos on may, might, must. Okay, don't get worried about that. So I may have to speak English. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ सकता है. I am not sure about that. Okay, हो सकता है. I might have to speak English. Chance is very less. 1%, 2% chance or 10% chance. That time we say might have to speak English. मुझे शायद इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ सकता है. बहुत ही कम चांस है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखिए, I must have to speak in English. I must have to speak English. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना ही पड़ेगा. Whatever happens. Okay. So must means compulsion. मुझे वो इंग्लिश बोलना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Now we will know where to use have and where to use has. Means have to or has to. Let's see. See students. Have to के लिए means where we should use have to when we have I, we, they, you or more than one name. More than one name means Ram and Sam, Riya and Priya. Like okay. When we should use has to, he, she, it or any name. Any name means single name. Ram has to go there, Sam has to go there. Okay, single name. Okay, if you can take the screenshot of this one. Okay, if you are able to keep in your mind. Again I am telling, don't try to memorize it. Create some examples. I have taken few examples, but when you stay home, create many examples. Or if you face any kind of problems, you can comment below. I'll try to reply it definitely. Okay, if you face any kind of problems, the more you practice, the more you be fluent in English. The more you practice, the more you learn. Okay, so keep doing practice. That's all for today. I think this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful for you, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. In the next video, we'll be talking about another topic, and if you face any kind of problem using this have to or has to or may have to, might have to, whatever, you can comment below. I will definitely try to reply it. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.